The air feels soft this morning. I open the window and let the world in. Light, air, birds. The seedlings grew again. I touch one gently. Momo's waiting for breakfast. He always is. I always set out my tools before I start. Before I start, I roll up my sleeves. It's a small thing, but it helps my mind switch on. Like saying, all right, let's begin. This part always smells earthy.
I'm so glad we're doing this together, Momo. This soil is full of life.
I dig a little deeper, turn the earth, and let it breathe. Some leaves have little holes. I turn them over, check for bugs. I fix the bamboo fence again.
Just a little straighter. There we go.
I stop for a moment, rest my hands on my knees. The sun's warm, my shirt sticks to my back, and I feel alive.
I found a little petal. So soft. Like a dream.
On the way home, I pick a few wildflowers. I put the flowers in a jar by the window.
Just perfect.
I wash the herbs I picked. The smell of mint fills the kitchen.
I'm just making sure these herbs dry properly. They'll be ready for winter soon.
One of my pots cracked again. I glue it together. It's not perfect, but it's still useful. I walk to the woods near the garden. Mushrooms hide in the moss. A few berries grow near the path. I taste one.
Ah, these berries are just ripe today.
I wash the dirt from my hands. Dinner starts with what I grew. The sound of the knife, the smell of herbs. This is my favourite kind of music. The soup bubbles softly. I stir it slowly, watching steam curl up. Cooking feels like talking to the day, saying, "Thank you for your time." I take my time. Eating slowly makes food taste more alive. I wipe my tools clean before bed. Taking care of them feels like a promise. Tomorrow, we'll do it all again. A small walk under the stars.
The night is calm, Momo. Just like our walk.
I close the gate quietly. Even gardens need rest. I sit on the porch with tea. Fireflies move between the plants. The world feels full, but not loud.